Welcome to using OneSearch Part 1. We'll go over some useful tools to help you when using OneSearch. Start on the Library tab in My Red Dragon. You can see the search bar here, where I will enter search terms like I did in the first video. Let's say I'm writing a paper about the portrayal of dragons in children's literature. To start, I'll just try the word dragons. Notice how the first result says about the topic. This is an example of an encyclopedia entry. It's useful when you're looking for general background information on a broad topic as you get started with a research paper. As I scroll down the page, I'll see other types of sources, such as articles and books. Let's say for this assignment, the professor requires several peer-reviewed journal articles on the topic. Remember the peer-reviewed journal option from the first video? You'll use that this time by checking the box to the left under Refine Results. Then click Apply Filters. To make sure that the filter stays throughout your search, you can click on Remember All Filters with the lock icon. Next, we'll practice using the Boolean operators you learned about in the video discussing search strategies. First, we'll try using AND, which can make your search results more specific and relevant for your paper. Trying dragons and literature will help you focus your search more. Some other ways to narrow your search under Refine Results include the publication date, which can be found right here, as well as available online. The available online limiter is helpful if you want something available in full text right away. It filters out results that would require an interlibrary loan. I'm noticing, looking through my search results, that I might need to switch up my search terms so that I can find dragons in children's literature specifically. In order to do this, I need to scroll back up and click on Advanced Search. This makes it easier when you're using Boolean operators and for entering multiple keywords. On the first line, I put dragons as a search term. On the second line, you'll notice that you have options with the drop-down arrow of and, or not. In this example, I'm using and, so I'll leave it as is and type children's literature on the second line. If I wanted to add more search terms, I could add another line as you see here. I can also choose a publication date range, a specific type of source, or a preferred language for the search results. Once I'm done entering search terms and using methods to narrow down the results, I'll click Search. Depending on your settings, you may notice as you scroll back up the page that this expanded options for advanced search might suddenly collapse. If that happens to you, you can go ahead and click the symbol and it will automatically expand again so that you can change up your search terms. Now that we've covered some search strategies, the Part 2 video will cover how to access the full text of a search result, as well as options for saving or citing it. If you're having any trouble as you're searching, click on the dragon image to the right. From there, you can start a chat with a librarian. We're always happy to help.